So I just got these Rough Country floor mats, and they're form fitted, and these things are really nice. So they were $149 on Amazon. So they've got some of these stickers were off a little bit. Let's see if I can get it without the shine. But that's the passenger. There you go, and I'll show you this is the back, and they look really good. I mean, they fit great. It's a one piece. I've seen some that are at two. And then let me show you what the driver's side looks like. So here's the driver's side, and it looks really good, and it's fit really well, all the corners and everything. And the other thing was, this part right here was missing on the ones from the Ford site. That's why I didn't end up buying those. So but anyway, even the little clips on these, I mean, where the holes are, it's nice. You can just pull them up if you want to clean them. Some of the other ones were really tight, but this one just pops out. But it's very easy to put in, and if you need to wash them out or whatever. But just wanted to show you what it looked like. Thanks for watching.